Watch this clever machine sort fruits by size with precision and speed, from smallest to largest in seconds. Technology making farm work faster and smarter. Think a simple clip tool only does one job? Think again. With a little creativity, it becomes your secret weapon for gripping, clamping, fixing, and even organizing. Got a flat tire on the road? No witties. This smart tire puncture self-help gadget will get you rolling again in minutes. No jack, no mechanic. Place it under the inflated tire and you're back on the road in minutes. The W-Char Turntable 505 is a game changer for tight parking spaces. It rotates your car effortlessly, so you never have to reverse again. Smart, sleek, and space-saving engineering at its best. No neck breaking to get out of tight places. The Rhino Hitch is a game changer. Simple to tie, ultra secure, and perfect when you need a strong hold without slipping. Ideal for towing, camping, or heavy-duty hauling. Give you a full 9 inches of vertical adjustment and ensures that you're able to haul any bumper pull trailer. Simply lower your landing gear on the trailer, pull the adjustment pin and raise or lower the trailer with the jack. Put the adjustment pin back into place, stow the trailer jack and hit the road. The Rhino 12V vehicle electric crane has extreme power and strength to complete any task. This 1,100-pound swivel crane is fitted with a 3,000 pounds Rhino winch and 3mm steel threaded